Nadine Lustre didn't just lose a boyfriend, she lost a billion-peso narrative.
Nahiwalay na si James Reid at si Nadine Lustre.
Aminin na natin, no, when the whole breakup happened, people were waiting. Ano kayang sabihin ni Nadine Lustre? Parang ganun eh. Diba? May pasad interview ba to? Mag-guest ba siya kay Tito Boy Abunda?
Kahit hindi na kami ni James, na he will always have a place in my heart.
Siya na ba ang next guest, no, sa Tony Talks?
Sila ay nananatiling magkaibigan at magtatrabaho pa rin sila lalo na pagdating sa music. Pero trending topic din ang magkapatid na Isa at Yasi Pressman.
Pero alam mo kung anong ginawa niya? She rebranded her whole existence without anyone knowing it. Walang malaking announcement, no?
The breakup actually happened in November pa last,
Okay.
2019.
No third party.
No, no.
She was just blooming. She was evolving. Ganda.
Ako yung when I get into a relationship, give ako lahat.
So hanggang maubos
Kasi-
ka?
Yun yung mistake ko. Pero ngayon, I learned.